Happy Monday and welcome back, my friends, to another work from home job lead. I'll keep today's video as short as possible, but this job lead is for those of you who don't want to work the standard 8 to 5. This company is not only hiring work from home, but they have multiple shifts available to fit schedules of different needs. But real quickly, before we get into it, if you're new here, this channel is all about the work from home life and trying to find you the best work from home jobs available and bringing them to you on a daily basis so you can get those applications in and get to working from home. So if you never want to miss out on another upload, make sure you are subscribed, have those notifications turned on. And just a little reminder, I do not work for any of these companies. I simply share what I find online, and the links to everything that I share is in the description box below. Today's job lead is from the company Starry. Now, Starry is a rapidly growing internet service provider, and they are hiring a customer support representative. This is for my United States folks only, and they do have some state restrictions. They only hire in Alabama, California, Colorado, Florida, Georgia, Hawaii, Illinois, Kansas, Maine, Maryland, Massachusetts, Minnesota, Missouri, New Hampshire, Nevada, New Jersey, New York, North Carolina, Ohio, Pennsylvania, South Carolina, Tennessee, Texas, Virginia, Washington, and Washington, D.C. Now, they do have multiple shifts available. One is the 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time shift if you are looking for that standard 8 to 5 daytime hours. If you're needing afternoons, like after school time, they also have a 4 p.m. to 12 p.m. Eastern Standard shift. And if you are a night owl, they also have an 8 p.m. to 4 a.m. Eastern Standard Time zone shift. You'll have to convert, if you don't live in the Eastern Time zone, your hours to that to make sure that that will work for you. But if it will, they're looking for someone to respond to customer emails, phone calls, and live chats related to Starry Station and Starry Internet setup, features, and advanced network settings. You'll help identify, investigate, and resolve device and network specific issues. You'll help people get a wireless printer connected and make sure there's no interruptions while streaming and gaming. You'll escalate any technical issues to the appropriate channels, and of course, you'll track your user concerns and feedback so you can escalate those up higher. Now, while they do not require a college degree, they are looking for someone who's excellent customer service skills, someone who can work quickly, independently, and have great attention to detail, someone who is committed to providing a high standard of support, and someone who has strong analytical and organizational skills. They would like someone to have 1 year of experience in a help desk or troubleshooting customer service experience. Now, best part about this position, they do pay very well. The starting rate is $19 an hour, and they have great benefits. They pay 100% of your low deductible health plan, dental, vision, accidental death and dismemberment, and life insurance, and they also offer a 401k and paid time off. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, if this job lead was not for you, feel free to leave anything specific you're looking for in the comments, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.